Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to start a new lesson, that is measures of weight. Okay, children. See, children, yesterday we have completed that lesson number 10, that is measures of length. So today, like that only, children, we are going to learn measures of weight. So what is the measures of weight, children? See, children, whenever we are talking about any substance, anything that has some weight, because they are made of something. Understand, children? For that reason, suppose I am we are also human. When you are going, if you are standing on the weighing machine, definitely your weight will come out as you give that 1 rupee coin. So as a result, you are getting your weight, that your weight will come and you can able to see that weight. So the same way, children, that whenever anything, that any substance, even children, like a pencil, which is very light in weight, so that you can lift it in your hands and you can able to write, but these also have some weight. Even children, that feathers of birds, which are so soft and so light that you can, if you blow the air from your mouth, it can just fly away, but still, children, these also have some weight. Yes, definitely, where we can weight ourselves, we cannot weigh that feather there, but definitely it has the weight. Okay, so this weight means what? The things by which it is made of, how much quantity by which that is made of, is known as weight. Like we are humans, in our body there is mass, and like muscles, we have muscles, we have bones, we have blood, so all together actually we get our weight. The same way, children, every substance has their weight. So when we measure that weight, that is only how to measure, that we are going to learn. Because just like when we measuring the length, at that time we are using that unit. What are the units? Like meter, kilometer, centimeter, that units we are using in case of measuring length. The same way, children, when we are going to measure the weight, at that time we will use that gram, kilogram. So these two are the units that we are using. Understand, children? See, we measure the mass or weight of an object in gram. That is only I told you, because children, this gram is only known as, that is a standard unit. Okay, this is a standard unit. Okay, this is a standard or the basic unit of the weight. Next, for heavy object we use bigger unit called kilogram. So for the smaller object we are using gram, and for the bigger object or heavier object we are using kilogram. So understand, children? So gram and kilogram, these two are the units of what? These two are the units of weight. Okay, now gram is smaller, bigger, means which object which are heavier, for that we should use kilogram. Which is lower, which is a smaller, for that we should use that gram. Understand, children? Now see, children, see the commonly used weights are given below. So what are these weights? See, these weights are you can able to see in the grocery shop. Here you can see that shopkeeper using such kinds of weights while it measure the weight of that things which we are asking for. Suppose you are going for the shop and you are asking to buy that rice. So suppose if you want to buy that 2 kg rice, so what you will do? The shopkeeper will use that 2 kg weights to measure your rice, and after that only he or she will give you that rice, and according to that he will ask from you the amount of that Okay children, so there are different kinds of weights are available. These are showing following. Okay, so children, there are such kinds of that weights are available. Okay, previously children, there is no so much digital weighing machine. So how the people sell the food? See, I just roughly draw one picture, so you will going to learn that one. See, such kinds of machine you can able to see. Okay, this is known as what? This is known as, that is balancing. Okay, now suppose in there I keep the food that I want to weigh, and here I should keep that weight. Now suppose the person who is asking for 2 kg rice, now here I put that 2 kg rice. Idea, just only I give an idea, and here I will use that one weight. See, this is a 2 kg weight, so this 2 kg weight I am using. If I find that these two will balance are equal with each other, means we can say that the proper quantity rice I am giving. Understand children? So by that way, previously we measuring any substance and we giving to the customer. So there are various kinds of weights are given. On the basis of quantity we are giving, these weights are using. Understand children? So that is why children, this unit of weight is very much important. See, this is 50 gram, this is 100 gram, this is 200 gram, this is 500 gram. Means these are the smaller weights. Okay, because they are in the gram. See, we know that 500, if we say that children, which is more, 500 is more or 1 is more, you will say ma'am 500 is more but 1 is less. But children, if I write that instead of writing only 500, if I write that, what I will write? If I write that 500 gram and 1 kg, then which is more children? In that case this 1 kg is more, but 500 gram is less. Because of unit only we can understand which is more and which is small. Okay children, so like that only. See, 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram, these are the smaller weights. Okay, and 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, 20 kg, these are the heavier weight. Now you will say that ma'am, if anyone asking that 3 kg amount, then how you will give? For that reason children, we use these two weights. Okay, because we know that 2 plus 1 is 3. Now if anyone is getting that 3 kg amount anything, then on the another balance I should put that these two weights, 1 kg and 2 kg, so it equal to the 3 kg. So by comparing that, we can give that food which is weighing is 3 kg. Okay children, now so like that only we can going on, like 5 plus 1 6 kg, 5 plus 2 7 kg, like 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1 8 kg. Okay, so like that only children, we are using that weights to measuring any substance. Okay, so children, see here something is given, like for gram we write G, means G is the short form, and for kilogram we can write kg. So G means gram and kg means kilogram in the short form. Okay, so for gram we can write G and for kilogram we write kg. Okay, so filling the blanks is there, like the book is heavier than pencil, obviously. So here what is saying, that the book is heavier than the pencil. So now here which is heavier children? This brick is heavier or this one is heavier? See, this is a eraser, so the last one is eraser. So which is heavier? Obviously children, brick is heavier. Next is, see children, Bittu and Meera, they are playing seesaw. And here, so which is lighter? Who is lighter? See, who is lighter? They should be up, and which is heavier? They should be down. So Meera is up, means Meera is lighter. Okay, next is, see children, this is a papaya and this is a banana. So in between, which is the heavier children? In between, papaya is heavier than the banana because this size is big only. So papaya is heavier. Understand, children? So the like that only we should write it. Okay. So this fill in the blanks we should do like that only. So we should be which is the heavier that we should, and which is the lighter that should we understand first, and according to that only we write in the fill in the blanks. Okay. So children, let's go and do it. Okay. So children, now let's go and solve this fill in the blank. So see children, here two picture, brick and eraser are showing. So now you tell me children, which is heavier, eraser or brick? Obviously brick is heavier than the eraser. Understand? Next is see children, this two children they are playing seesaw. Now it is asking that who is heavier. See, who will be heavier, they will be towards the down, and who will be the lighter in weight, they will be go up. Means here Bittu is heavier but Meera is lighter. So it is asking who is lighter. So answer is Meera is lighter. Okay. Next is see children, in between this is a papaya and this is a banana. Now it is asking which is heavier. Now you only tell children which is heavier. Obviously this papaya will be heavier. So here you should write that the papaya is heavier. Okay. Now children, so you understood that which is heavier and which is lighter. For heavier we should use that heavier weight, and for lighter we should use lighter weight. Now children, let's go and learn how to do the additions of kilogram and gram. Okay. So children, now let's go and start for the addition. Okay. So see children, here in example what is saying that 450 plus 326 plus 40 kg. See children, one pattern you just follow how the 40 is written. 4 is not written under 3. Okay. 4 is written under 2. Understand children? So the while we are adding the number, we should arrange in proper order. If we are not arranging in the proper order, there is a chance to get wrong. Okay. So now see they are adding 6 plus 0 plus 0, that is 6. Next 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 5, it's 11. Now 1 is in carry. So 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So answer is 816 kg. Okay. Now next is see 6 plus 6, that is and 0, whatever we are adding with 0 the same number will come. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Now 1 is in carry. So 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And next is 3 plus, next is see, so 4 plus 3 plus 1, that is 7 plus 1 9. Next 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So answer is 692 gram. Now why gram? Because these units are gram in only. Next is 9 plus 0 9. 9 plus 0 plus 0 means 9 only come. Next 5 plus 4, that is 9. Now 9 plus 4 is 13. Now 1 is in carry. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer is 539 kg. This unit is given in kg. So answer is kg. Now next is that is 5 plus 0 0 5. Next 3 plus 2 plus 5. 5 plus 3, that is what? 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 5 10. Now 1 is in carry. So 3 plus 1 4. 405 gram. See children how they are arranging. 325, next 550 gram and 30 gram. But how they are arranging? On the place value. According to the place value. First come ones, next tens, next 100. You have learnt now. So the same way children, here also it is written. Okay. So now they are adding and the answer they get 405 gram. Okay. Now children, the following also all are the addition. Now next go and we are solving it. Okay. So children, hope so you understand that how to do the additions of kilogram and gram. Now let's go and go do it for the rest of the things. Okay, so see here, first we are doing 0 plus 5, that is 5. Next 4 plus 0, 4. Next 2 plus 4, that is what? 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 645 kg. Understand? Now next is, see, this will be your homework. Okay, see, 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 4, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, that is 8. And next 3 plus 2, that is 5, 4, 6, 4, 5. So here is answer 585 kg. Okay. Now see children, though this is I give you homework, still I have done. So the next problem I will give you as your homework. Okay. Now next is, see, this one, 0 plus 0, that is 0. Now 4 plus 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9. Now 2 plus 2, that is 3, 4. So this is 490 gram. Now see the last one, that is 140 plus 250. This will be your homework that you will going to do it. Okay. Now next children, see this one also. See, 248 kg and 305 kg. So this also I give you your homework. Okay. Now next one I am going to solve. So 5 plus 9, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here is 14. Now 1 is in carry. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here is 16. Again 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So answer is 464 kg. As I told you children, never forget to write the unit. Otherwise your marks will cut. Now next one. Next one, see children, this will be your homework. Oh no, this not homework. Again I will give the next one. See this one I am doing 0 plus 0, 0. Next 6 plus 5, that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 11. Now 1 is in carry. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2 is 5, 6. So answer is 610 gram. Okay. Now see the next one. See 5 plus 5, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is here. Now 1 is carry. Now 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now 4 plus 2, that is 5, 6. So here is 6. So 620 gram. Understand children? Answer is 620 gram. Now next is, see children, this one we are going to solve. So now let's see. See 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 12 plus 5. That is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So here is 17. Now 1 carry. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 8 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 is there. Now 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8. Now 8 plus 2 is 9, 10. Understand children? Always do the calculation properly. Again I am showing 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Next 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Understand? Now the next one will be your homework children. Okay. So now next we are going to solve. See 3 plus 5, 8. Plus 0, that is 8. Okay. C plus 5, 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. Now 6. 6 is there. 6 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. So 3 plus 5, 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 0, 6 plus 0, 6. Now next is 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3 is 5, 6, 7. So 7 answer is 768 gram. Now see children, here also I forget to write the unit. If you forget to write the unit, then obviously I told you marks will cut. Okay. So now children, next one we are going to solve. Next one, see this one, that is, next do it. See 0 0 plus 0 0, so this is 0. Next 4 plus 0 4 plus 1 5. Next 4 plus 2 6, that is 5 6. 6 plus 3 7 8 9, so here is 9, so answer is 950 gram. Okay, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, 0 0 0, 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, so answer is 950 gram. Now next children, see here the mix problem they have given. Okay, so this one will be your homework. First and last I am going to solve it. So see, kg and gram they are arranging according to their column and they are adding. So 0, next 5 plus 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here is 10. Now 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. That is 400 gram. Here no need to write unit because unit already written in the up. Now 5 plus 8, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here is 13. Now 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Now next 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6. So here is 6. Answer is 643 kg and 400 gram. Understand? 643 kg, 400 gram. Next is C children. The last one, C 0 plus 0. Now 8 plus 6, that is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now 14 is there. 1 is in carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So answer is 440 gram. Now 0, 0. Here 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here is 12. Now 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. So answer is here 820 kg, 440 gram. 0, 0, 8 plus 6, 14. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 440 gram. Now 0, 0, 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So 820 kg. Okay children? So children, today we have learnt that how to measure the weight of any substance, what are the relations between the units, which is the smaller unit of weight, which is the higher unit or bigger unit of weight, what are the weights that we are using while we are measuring any things. Next we have learned this fill in the blanks, we learned the short form of units. Next children, we have learned how to do the addition of the kilograms and gram. If kilograms are given, only arranging in the proper column and add it. In case of gram also same. But whenever the both units are present, we should arrange it in a proper order and we should add it. Okay. So children, right now I am going to give you the homework. Your homework are these 4 that I have marked with the orange colorings. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, these 4 will be your homework and the next part we are continue with our next class. So bye children. Take care.